In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the copy with your Epson Workforce 2950 printer. So we can do the copy with the two methods. The first is using the ADF tray. So if you have multiple pages to copy, you can use it, and you can also use the scanner bed to scan the ID, photo or passport. Let's use the ADF tray. On the ADF tray, you have to place them facing up. Press OK for the copy. If you want color, then press OK, or you can just scroll like this to select black and white. OK. Number of copies 1, and now we can start copy. So press this button. So this way we can do the copy with this printer using the ADF tray, and it's quite easy. If you have multiple pages, just place them on the top. Thanks for watching.